This is day 4 of our 90-day challenge. Today's tour takes us inside the UnionMain here in Cambridge Crossing. Let's jump in.
All right, so now we're in the UnionMain, and this is on the 60-foot product, which is really nice for those that want just a little more outdoor space, a little more separation from your neighbors. This is a really good option, and I love how wide this stairway is, this entryway. It's 20-foot ceilings. It's got that open railing, all that stuff that everybody is asking us for. This delivers. And what I love about this particular builder, we've put a lot of people in, not only in Cambridge Crossing, but in UnionMain specifically. What I love about it is just, it's such a unique kind of floor plan, right? They're not all over the Metroplex. They're in enough, but I really like the design. And you'll see what I'm talking about when you see the family room and all that good stuff. But here we are in the office. You got two nice, large, long windows bringing in that natural light. And again, it's not overly big, but it's a little bit bigger than what we have shown you so far. And I think that's mainly just because now we're in almost 3,500 square feet, 3,600 square feet. So as you come through, you've got a downstairs bedroom. Again, I want to point out, not only do you have 8-foot doors, the ceilings are high. You got 10-foot ceilings, large room. You've got a walk-in closet and its own ensuite, which is always very nice.
Everybody loves having their own bathroom, that's for sure.
Everybody wants their own bathroom, right? That's the one thing that we get, you guys calling us and we're zooming, is like, we really love these floor plans, and what we love about them is they have, you know, a lot of these things have their own ensuite for the kids. Now this is going to be walled off. This is going to be your, actually where you come in from your garage. But let's go through here. You've got a powder bath.
Okay, oh, that's good.
And continue through. Right here, you've got
coat closet. And then take a look at this room. Let's just take this in for a second. It's a huge room. Because look at how high those ceilings are.
Yeah, 20-foot ceilings. I love the fireplace. Look at this wall. I mean, imagine all the art that you could put on here, right? Yeah. I mean, it's just giant.
It makes that fireplace look tiny.
Yeah, there's a ton of wall space. Well, you could design it however you want, right? You could put a big sectional in here if you don't want it. You have your TV or whatnot. That's what a lot of our clients have done.
Big mantle.
Big mantle. I mean, this thing it's such a big wall, such a big space. You've got the sliders right behind you, Patrice. I mean, this is a room, because it's so big, that you can definitely afford to get these sliders.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
You don't need furniture up against
You're not really worried about that furniture placement like you are in some other homes. Now, this kitchen is top notch. I love this little breakfast nook. But I love how they showcase the big round table. I mean, you look at how many people you can get around.
Yeah, that's a whole family gathering right
there.
there.
Yeah, this is Thanksgiving dinner right here. Right? I mean, it's got room for a nice little bar cart. It's got everything that you could possibly want right off of your kitchen with a 4-bed island. One of the things that I like, I mean, obviously this is upgrade, right?
The white appliances.
Yeah, the white appliances. I mean, these are upgrades, but you got a 6-burner stove on here. But look at how funky the appliances are. You know, they're just different than what we normally see. You got a warming drawer, you got, you know,
that is
barn doors.
I'm not sure how I feel about it. I don't love it, don't hate it, don't know what I feel about it, but it's fun to see something different.
You got your microwave right here. I think that's perfect. You know, place it, the little kids can get to it if you need to, but also it just hides it. No one wants to see a microwave, right?
Yeah, that's interesting.
Now, as we come through, here you go. The snack closets that we've been showing you have been HEB approved. This is Costco approved.
That is nice.
Look how big that thing is.
And you better keep it organized, because you got a glass right there.
Well, you can organize that however you want. I mean, you can definitely put another door in there. This I love, because this is where I would have my coffee, make it, you know, all that.
Kind of hidden from everything.
And then kind of tucked away off to the side is a formal dining area. Now, if you don't want to use this as a formal dining area, you could block this off, make this another office. So you can have 2 offices if you need to.
Yeah, that's a nice option, actually.
Right? I like it.
Let's go check out that primary.
Let's go check out the primary. But again, look at all this light coming through.
I know, it's great.
Yeah.
You got the big windows up above there too to bring even more.
But look at, these are 60 by 130 lots, right? So you get a really good depth. So you can put that pool in if you want. You can do however you want. But look at this patio.
Yeah, that's
You got
nice.
your outdoor kitchen, room for a TV, all that good stuff. So just a really, really nice, thoughtful design. All right, so now we are in the primary, and if you're a fan of the channel, you know how Patrice and I feel about beams. We're all about the beams. Now, I do recommend that you do that afterwards. You got nice 3 big windows coming through. Just a giant, big high ceilings. Just gives a sense of grandeur, right? And look at how much space you have.
I know, it's ridiculous.
On either side of this king size bed.
Yeah.
I mean, it's big. Now, Patrice, I have to warn you, it doesn't have the split sinks.
Doesn't bother me.
I know, but look at how much counter space you have though.
And it's got a little space for a vanity.
Look at this, how big the soaking tub is, Patrice.
Yeah, that's huge.
All right, Patrice, look at this shower. First one that we've seen with the rain head.
Yeah, that's a big rain head.
I like the rain heads. I like the placement of the niche. Put it right here where no one sees your junk. Just a really good shower.
Nice.
Now, what's the size of the closet looking like?
Let's see. It is, I think it's plenty big enough.
Oh, my heart. It's really big. Look at it. It even comes out over here.
Oh, it sure does.
Yeah.
Look at that.
No, that would be like your side, the big side, and then I got the small side. What I like about it is it flows right into your laundry room.
Yeah, this is a huge laundry.
That's what I'm saying. This
Wow.
UnionMain does it right? They do it with they just go the extra mile.
Yeah, I want to see this closet right here.
It's just a linen
it's
closet.
A linen.
But
Very
you
nice.
put all your stuff there, all the soaps, and you can even put like all your toilet paper and paper towels and all that stuff in there.
Extra, yeah.
Yeah, but this, you got a sink, you got your 2 washer and dryer. I know you're gonna say, Andy, you don't even know what that is. That's
why
I already know you.
That's why it took you a minute to figure out what
Exactly.
they were.
Okay, yeah. But if you didn't have all this counter space, that's optioned out. You have plenty of space for a fridge, because you can never have too much refrigeration. All right, so now we're going right back through the closet, going into the ensuite. Again, look at that backyard. Look at the view of the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Right? These aren't, just rinky-dinky houses. These things are big, giant monsters.
And the other thing is they make sure that you have privacy. So those windows that you can see up above, those aren't windows people are looking out of. So that makes it really nice. You don't feel like people are peeking in at you.
Yeah, that's a good point. Now, let's go upstairs and see what they have for this.
Okay. All right, so now we're upstairs.
Now we are upstairs, and this has got so many different little nooks and crannies.
I know, we don't even know where to go first.
Okay. First of all, you've got this open space. I can picture homework going on. You've got kind of media area if you want, video games.
Homework? That sounds...
You could do homework up here.
That does not sound fun.
That's not fun. No one likes homework.
This is the fun room.
Look at it. It's got this card table.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
It's got everything, but Patrice.
What?
Those media rooms that we've been looking at were kind of on the small side. Would you agree?
I would agree.
What about this bad boy? Oh my
boy. Yeah,
gosh.
this guy's a step down. Let me show you. So you take a couple steps down.
This is covering a 2-car garage.
Yeah, this is I like the shape of it and the feel of this room. That's pretty cool. And then obviously you'd need to put some, darkening blinds.
Yeah, you
right
just black
there,
that out real easy.
I do like
Easy
this
enough.
room.
Then you come over to this side. You've got a nice bedroom. This is Taylor's room.
You know,
what do you think of Taylor's room?
There's a lot of shapes and everything to the ceilings. It just makes this house have just a completely different feel than most of the models we see.
This is why we've put so many people in UnionMain.
Good size.
And Cambridge Crossing, because again, it's unique, it's different. Here is the guest bath as well as the bathroom for that Taylor's room. And then look at something that you don't see every day. You've got this open space and enough space to where you can put a bumper pool if you wanted. Mm-hmm. Right? I mean, it's just kind of a cool. You can put couches, bean bags, however you want to design it. Then you've got a bedroom here. Celina Bobcats are orange and white. That's their colors if you're wondering.
This is a great size room.
Oh my gosh, look at this swatch. Do you remember swatches, Patrice?
Yes, I do. Of course I do.
Are swatches even a thing still?
No, I don't think so.
I don't know.
But look, it's got a nice little Jack and Jill bathroom. So these two bathrooms would share, or these two bedrooms would share a bath. So that's nice.
Yeah, and you didn't see the big giant closet. Or I think it's pretty big for a secondary bedroom.
Oh, that is a good size, really good size for a kid's room.
Yeah.
Like it, okay.
All right, so you kind of went through here. Let's go out and then look at this room.
Wow.
Holy cow, this is like a own.
Massive. So there's the sink part of the bathroom for this.
It's got the same closet.
Same size closet.
And this is Brooklyn's room.
This is great.
Yeah, look at the size of this thing. This is like it's got its own entryway. Absolutely fantastic. Again, now you guys are starting to see this is the most underrated community in all of DFW in our humbled opinion. Like I said, we've been there, done that. We relocated here 20 years ago ourselves. We've raised 3 kids in the school systems. They're thriving adults now. We have been there, done that, and we can do the same for you.
So if you're thinking about building or buying, just fill out that dream home form below. We'd love to help. And we'll see you tomorrow for day 5 of our 90-day challenge.